All right, Alan, what are you making here? Here at Burnt Barrel BBQ.
Our famous Sloppin Nachos.
Sloppin Nachos. Okay.
Get a bunch of nacho chips,
obviously. What kind of Sloppin Nachos are you going to do
These
this
are
time?
these are pulled pork Sloppin Nachos.
Pulled pork looking good.
Just grab some pulled pork, spread it around like so.
Look at that, folks. He puts a good hearty amount on those nachos, on those chips.
Here's the secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient, no longer a secret.
So if Paul comes up missing, you'll know why. Don't put too much on it, just enough to get that sweet flavor.
Get a mouthfeel out of it.
Yep.
I think he's going to put some cheese on there now. Hot cheese. How long have you been making this, Al?
I came up with this last year, and ever since, people just go crazy. I have people that just come for the Sloppin Nachos,
Great.
and I have people coming from quite a ways for it. But it is pretty good.
Yeah.
And I usually put enough on there where you can get like 2 meals out of it. So.
Yeah, that's plenty right there. But there's more. You're gonna put some onion on there. Is she ordering the jalapeno?
Yep. And they love a lot of jalapeno, so I usually throw a lot of jalapenos on there for them.
Are you guys still serving? Yes. Okay. What's your best seller?
Now he's gonna put some sour cream on there.
I like it. Besides the birthday.
The final touch.
Okay. Make it drip down. I like that. I love the beef part.
You're a champion.
Just like that.
Outstanding. That looks great. Thank you, Alan.
Yes, sir.